malapit na po kami. Malapit na po kami sa SM. Malapit na tayo, diba? Ayun na. Malapit na kami sa SM. We'll just, ano na lang. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa SM. Nasa harap na kami. Ayun na. Andito na kami sa SM. Kayla! Dito sa gilid. Andito na kami sa SM. Nandito na kami. So, ang init. Paloob na kami. Say hi! Hi! Say hi! Hi! So, paloob na pa kami sa SM. Ayun na sila ate. Andito na ba ako namin? Oo na, andito na sila kuya. Ngayon ka!
Dalawa yung isa. Dalawa nilagay ko doon. Tigil.
Hi!
Dalawa.
We're in Greenwich na.
Dalawa yung nilagay ko doon.
We're in Greenwich. We're gonna drive probably. So,
Daddy, andito ako kay katabi ni Ate Chloe.
masyadong madami. Masyadong madami tao. Wala. So, kakain na lang muna kami sa hindi ko alam pa. Ano pa mga gagawin natin dito?
Mag-ikot.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Ikot.
Manifesting na sana kapag bumalik ulit kayo dito. Pag-swimming tayo.
Yes.
Manifesting.
Pinya French time.
Manifesting.
Sana maging prediction.
Oo nga. Ganun na lang tayo. Fingers crossed na lang. Sana maging totoo yun. We'll be right back. Okay, challenge ko sa'yo. Kainin mo yan lahat. Lahat yung seasonings na yan. Ilagay mo muna yan. Ilagay mo muna yung isang fry dyan. Saka, yan. Ay, hindi. Kaninin mo na lang. Go. Challenge ko yan sa'yo ah. Go.
Di ba sarap?
Spicy. Okay, congrats. You did it. Saan na tayo?
We're going to, I don't know. We will see where we're going.
We're going wherever we want to go.
Yeah, we got takeout.
Saan na sila?
We got takeout.
Ha? Andun pa yung, andun no? Say hi! So, basically, ano lang, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Lalakad lang kami. Kasi ang alam ko dito, may mga statue dito ng superhero. Ay. Yung camera. Madumi pa ang lens natin. Okay na.
How oily is your forehead?
That's what I mean. I don't know.
This is how you see how oily it is.
Then, let me try mine. Not bad. My hands are very sweaty right now. By the way, mag-vlog kami hanggang sa uwi na kami. chillin' like a villain.
Kami na?
Sige na lang.
Pause mo na.
So, pupunta kami ng DQ. Oops! Itong basin na. Ayun na, may ano na siya, may milk tear shake, whatever that is. Look!
Ako na din, may shake.
Masarap. Actually, ano yan?
Chocolate shake.
You said it was a coffee shake.
It tasted like that.
Come on! Doon ka na kay Daddy.
But it's actually chocolate.
Okay, you said it was coffee from the beginning.
I thought
Try.
it was. It tastes like coffee, but it's chocolate.
It does. It tastes fine. It doesn't really taste like chocolate.
Ano?
Shut up! Ay, yung tinola.
Oh, good.
Go.
Hey guys! It's Chloe and Kayla. Today we're going to be eating some chips.
We're gonna try them.
More like eating because... which one are we going to eat first? You pick one.
I haven't tried this one. Well, you can do it.
I can't. I give up. Okay? Get your chip. Cheers.
Ate Chloe can share with me. I good.
Good. Okay. Here you go. Ew! Ew! So, ayun, din na kami nakapag-outro. Umalis na sila ngayon. So, ako na lang mag-outro. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you made you laugh. And always have a good time. Bye-bye!